Next my friend touch me, then what will happen that the disease will spread from me to my friend. So in this way, disease is spread from one person to another person. Okay, so the causes, main causes is direct contact with the infected person. Suppose I touch an infected person, sick person, so what will happen that the disease will spread from sick person to me. Okay, if I touch the animals such as monkey and gorilla, chimpanzee, okay, so the disease will spread from them to me. Okay, suppose my friend touch me, then disease will spread from me to my friend. So in this way, diseases are spread among human beings. Okay, so these are the causes of what? The diseases. Ebola. The next symptoms. How can we identify that a person has got the sick Ebola? Okay, how can we understand? How can we find? How can we identify a person who whether a person got the disease Ebola? How can we identify? Okay, so there are some methods to identify the symptoms or identify the disease. Okay, so how can we identify the disease? Understand? Okay, so what are the symptoms? Fever is the one of the symptoms. Okay, the person who has got disease Ebola, the person will have fever. Suppose I am suffering from the disease Ebola, then how can you identify that I have what Ebola? I will have fever. Next, muscular pain on muscles. Okay, ache on muscles. Okay, and headache, I will have headache. And sore throat means tonda vedana. Sore throat, tonda vedana. Okay, pain in throat, and also followed by vomiting. Tonda vedana, sore throat, tonda vedanoppam vomiting means chardi. Tonda vedanoppam chardi undavu. Okay, so sore throat means tonda vedana and vomiting, chardi. Okay, and watery stools, loose motion. Okay, watery stools means loose motion. Rash means chorichil. Disruption of kidney. Okay, working of kidney will be disrupted, will be damaged. Working of kidney will be damaged, disordered. Okay, working of disruption of kidney and liver functions. Okay, so the duties or working of kidney and liver will be disrupted, will be disordered, will be stopped. Okay, so the working of kidney and liver is damaged, is disrupted, is disordered. Okay, and bleeding from gums. Monayil ninnu endu varum? Bleeding. Monayil ninnu varum? Gum. Okay, bleeding undavum. Blood will come from the gums. Okay, so these are the causes. So what are the symptoms? Okay, what are the symptoms? Fever. Okay, fever and muscular pain. The person who has the disease Ebola will have what? Muscular pain on muscles, and headache. Sore throat, tonda vedana followed by vomiting, chardi undavu. Watery stools means that is loose motion. And rash means what? Chorichil. Disruption of kidney and liver function. the functions and working of kidney and liver will be disrupted, disordered. And disruption means tadasapada. Disruption of kidney liver functions means working of kidney and liver will be disrupted, tadasapadunnu. And bleeding from gum. Bleeding from gum. Blood will come from gum. So these are the symptoms of the disease Ebola. So how can we prevent the disease? How can we block the germ which spreads the disease Ebola? How can we stop the germs which spread the disease Ebola? Okay, how can we prevent? Isolate infected person. Isolate infected person. Isolate means we have to keep the person in a separate room, in a separate place. Okay, we have to keep the person. We have to isolate the person in a separate room. Okay, separate room. Isolate the infected person. Avoid direct contact with the person. Okay, and we have to avoid, or we are not allowed to touch the person. Okay, we have to keep the person in a separate room, and also we should not allow the person